kubuye ngazuthi izinto zilihambele kahle kulokhu iqembu le-Orlando Pirates kaMakhebhula ezakhephula umhlaba wamasipala ngenkani. Lokhu kuze emveni kokuba iqembu le-Orlando Pirates ligurguswe ngemvula yamagoli lehlulwe emdlalweni obuphakathi kwawo laphana ke-Orlando Pirates kanye ne-Stellenbosch, lapho khona i-Orlando Pirates egcine igurguswe ngamagoli 3-2 emdlalweni wama-kickoffs obubanjwe laphana ke-Orlando Stadium, nobe sekuletha indumela enkulu kubathandi baleli qembu i-Orlando Pirates. Sokhumbula ukuthi ezinsukwini ezingengaki i-Orlando Pirates isandokuguqiswa ngamagoli 3 emdlalweni obuphakathi kwawo laphana i-Orlando Pirates ne-SuperSport United, nosekwenza ukuthi abalandeli baleli qembu balingabaze kakhulu. Mbuko lesilethu kuhle TV, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe ku-YouTube channel yethu ukuze siqhubeke sikwethulela zonke esingenayo. Kanti-ke nansi ividiyo sikucaphunele yona esikhundleni zokuxhumana.
I've got no words for this one. Very disappointing from us. We have to take accountability for the results. Take accountability for the performance in the second half. Because I thought we played a good first half. Just had a moment of craziness of 20 minutes and they punished us. In this level, we can't afford to be the way we were in that stage where they dominated us and got the 3 goals. It's not a way we wanted to end our year. Hopefully we can bounce back from this. We have to. It's unfortunate that we go to the break with a sober mood like this one, but it happens. It's football, and we learn from such moments. And hopefully it never happen again. We apologize to all the Pirates supporters, everyone with the club, all the stakeholders, and we apologize to our supporters and our technical team. So we'll pick ourselves up from this one.